What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how to purchase the Enzyme coin, okay, also known as the MLN coin. Okay, so let's get started. So the very first thing to do is to come over here to coinmarketcap.com before purchasing any coin. That's the first place you should come, because over there is where you can actually read, go and read about the coin and get some insight as to what the coin is about. Okay, so once you are on the CoinMarketCap homepage, just go ahead and search for Enzyme. Okay, let me just show you guys that. So just search for Enzyme over here. As you can see, it's currently trending. Okay, so as you can see, over here is where you can actually read some info about the coin, get some insight as to what the coin is about. So now down here is where you can see the list of markets where you can actually purchase the coin. Okay, so for this particular coin, as you can see, it's available on Binance, OB Global, Coinbase Exchange, and Kraken, and some other markets too, but let's just limit it to those. So now over here, as you can see, here is where you can see the charts, how the coin has been moving over the past. You can filter by the date over here, probably 7 days or so. So once you've checked the info and you've confirmed that you really want to purchase the coin, what you need to do is to probably use your favorite exchange to buy the coin. So for this case, for my own case, I'll be using Binance for this particular tutorial. Okay, it's just the same thing all over the other platforms too, but let me just show you guys how to go about it on Binance. So come over to your Binance wallet, open your Binance. Okay, so let me just sign in. Okay, so once you are in your Binance wallet, this is where you can actually purchase the coin. So come over here to markets. Now search for MLN /. Okay, so as you can see over here, you can only purchase the coin using 4 currencies. Okay, you can pay using your USD, United States dollars, your BUSD, your BNB, and your BTC. So in case you're in a country like United States, you can go ahead and purchase your coin, MLN coin, the Enzyme coin, using your United States dollars after you've deposited it into your Binance wallet. Okay, so let's now take, for example, you are in a country like, let's say you are in Australia. Okay, that will be MLN /AUD. As you can see over here, you can't purchase the coin directly using your Australian dollar. So what you need to do is to actually purchase some US dollars using your Australian dollars. So let me just show you how to do that real quick. Just type in AUD here /USDT, and as you can see over here, you can actually go ahead and purchase USD using your AUD. So just click on buy over here, enter the amount in USD that you want to buy. Then once you've purchased it, you can now come back here, right? Come back here, then click and then type MLN /USDT. So once you've done that, just click on it over here and click on buy. Okay, click on buy. So once you've clicked on buy, you can enter the amount in USD of MLN coin, as in the Enzyme coin that you actually want to purchase. Let's say, for example, you want to purchase $50 worth of MLN coin. Just enter $50. Just enter 50 in here. Okay, and there are some other options over here. These are just some advanced stuff, kind of. So if you click on this icon over here beside markets, you can see over here we have limit, stop limit. These are all advanced stuff. Okay, this is probably you want to set it to, let's say, for example, the coin enters a particular price. That's why you want to purchase some kind of advanced stuff. So click on markets over here. This means you want to purchase at the current market price. Okay, so whatever the current market price is what you actually purchase over here. So once you've done that, go ahead and click on buy MLN. For this case, I won't be clicking it because I don't have enough balance. Okay, so once you've clicked that, that will be purchased in your account and you'll be able to see it in your trades down here. Let me just show you where you see it. Yeah, you'll be able to see it somewhere down here, this open orders. Okay, be able to see it there. So thank you very much for watching. If you have any question, let me know in the comments, and I'll be happy to respond as soon as possible. Thank you.